Okay, the elevator questions. I think we did number 21 yesterday, but just in case I'm wrong, I thought I would do it again. 64 kilogram person standing on a scale in an elevator. The elevator is rising at a constant velocity and then begins to slow down at a rate of 0.59 meters per second squared. So it's going up but slowing down, which means its acceleration is actually acting downward. So it's going to need to go in as negative. And it wants to know what's the sign on the acceleration, so it'll be negative, and what is the reading on the scale. So you're going to do sum of the forces in the y direction, and this time it doesn't go to 0. If we call up positive, then it'll be Fn, or F scale, minus Fg is equal to may, and you're solving for the F scale. So F scale will be equal to may plus mg when you take the fg over. Okay, so F scale will equal, the m was 64 kilograms. The a is negative because it's slowing down, going up, 0.59 plus 64 kilograms times a positive 9.81 meters per second squared. And like we talked about yesterday, it's positive because we already called it negative up there. Okay, so you end up with an F scale of 64 times 0.59 negative, and then plus 64, 9.81, 590.08. 590.08 newtons. That's its apparent weight. If we want its apparent mass, then we take that 590.08 newtons and we divide it by 9.81 meters per second squared to get its apparent mass, which will be 60.151 maybe kilograms. Okay, so that's number 21. Number 22, 75 kilogram man is standing on a scale in an elevator when the elevator begins to descend. So it's going down with an acceleration of 0.6 meters per second squared. So this time it's speeding up, going down. Its acceleration is downward. What is the direction of the acceleration? That'll be downward. And then what is the reading on the scale? So again, sum of the forces in the y. And you need to decide which way you want to call positive. If you want to continue to call up positive, then it'll be F scale minus Fg, because it's going down, is equal to may. Again, you're looking for F scale. So take the other two, the Fg to the other side where it becomes positive, and it also becomes mg. And so now we can fill our numbers in. If we called up positive, then the a needs to go in as a negative, and it was 0.66 meters per second squared, and it's a negative, even though you don't see my negative there, it really is, plus 75 kilograms times 9.81 meters per second squared, and we don't put the negative on this because we already put it in right here. Okay, so then again, type it in your calculator. So 75 times 0.66 negative, and then plus 9.75, 9.81. You should get 686.25 newtons. That's our apparent weight. Scales tend to read in kilograms, so we can find our apparent mass by taking this 686.25 newtons and dividing it by 9.81 meters per second squared. And when we do that, we get 69.954 kilos. Okay? And the last one, number 3, or 23 really. It says a 549 Newton woman. So this time they're changing it up a little, and they're giving you the weight of the woman. 549 Newton woman is standing on a scale in an elevator that's going down at a constant velocity. Then the elevator begins to slow down and eventually come to a stop. The magnitude of the acceleration, so A, is 0.73 meters per second squared. It's going down, slowing down, which means the acceleration is up. What is the direction of the acceleration? Up. What is the reading on the scale? So again, you're going to do some of the forces in the y. If we continue to call up positive, it would be Fn minus Fg is equal to may. So it would be, Fn, which is F scale, is equal to may. Take your Fg over, it becomes positive mg. Fill your values in. M, we didn't actually find it, but we could right here. M will just equal Fg divided by G. So 549 newtons divided by 9.81 meters per second squared. It is 549, right? Yeah. 549 divided by 9.81 is 55.963. So the mass is 55.963 kilograms. So over here, 55.963 kilos. And we're going to multiply that by our positive this time, because it's going up, 0.73 meters per second squared. And our Fg they gave us, it's plus 549 newtons. And again, we had put the negative in up there, so we don't put it in down here. And so we do F scale equals, so take that 55.963, multiply it by 0.73, and then add on the 549, and you should get 598.85. And I said 98, but it's really 589.853 newtons. And then to get our mass, you take that 589.853 newtons and divide it by 9.81 meters per second squared. And you get 60.1277 kilograms. So this is our apparent mass. This one is our apparent weight, and the elevator questions are done. Okay, so you still have 2 more elevators you can practice. Number 10 on the front side of the review sheet, and the very last one on the back side. All right, enjoy your snow day, enjoy your weekend. See you Monday, and the test will be Tuesday.